Hey YouTube, hey Broken Bougie Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have something cool to show you. Wait, let me see. So look guys, the first round of birthday gifts are coming in. So let's see what this is.
What she did?
Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Oh, hold on. Ooh, what could this be? Ooh, my vlogging camera, the Canon G7 PowerShot Mark II. Oh my God! Wow! I got my vlogging camera. And then I got this off of Amazon. And it came in a bundle. It came with a camera case or a camera bag. What is a cute little bag? Look at it, that's cute. Nice and compact, come with a strap. Cute. It also comes with a cord. It comes with a mount. You know, for your camera or your phone. But I plan on putting my camera on here. It comes with a mount. It comes with another mount. It comes with a digital reader. You put your memory card in here and then plug this up to your computer so all your files can go to your computer. Comes with that. It comes with an extra battery. It comes with some cleaning material for your camera, and also it comes with a memory card box so you could place your memory cards or store your memory cards in there. Here's some cleaning dusters for your camera. And it also comes with the extra memory card, 64 gigabytes. So all this came in the bundle, and the camera alone was about $560, but if you got it in a bundle, it came up to, let me see how much it came up to. It came up to about six something, but I also got the 3-year warranty for any damages or anything like that, and that was about $40. So overall, I paid $660 for the warranty, for the insurance on here, plus this whole bundle was $660. Yes. And I also got something else for my camera. Let's see. That was recommended online. It's this 3-in-1 memory card camera reader. It's for your memory cards as well. You can plug it up to your phone and stuff like that. So let's see. Let's unbox this camera. All right, guys. So let's get the unboxing. Don't mind my outfit. After I do this unboxing, I'm going to the pool. I got my bathing suit on. So yes, this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. I heard so many good reviews on this camera, and all the YouTubers and all the vloggers use this camera. So yes. Let me see how I open this. I don't want to break. Look at my nail, y'all. That happened at the pool the other day. Cause I almost drowned in the 5 feet because of this dude tried to drown me, even though I was in the 5 feet. No. Okay, here's the cord, your power cord. course, instructions. So here's the camera. Ooh, it's so cute and little and pretty. And look. Yes, so cute. Yes. That is so cute. And then right here on the sides, right here, you can hook your neckband to here. And then on this side, here's a button on this side right here that pops up, and you just gently push it back down. Let's turn this thing on. Probably need to be charged. Yeah, it needs to be charged. So let's charge it, and I'll be right back. Oh, let me show you before I charge it. Let me show you what else comes in the box. Here goes the battery charger. Here's the battery charger. Here's the battery. And this is like a little wrist strap right here. All right, so let me charge it up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm gonna open this little bag that came along in the box to see what's in here. Like I said, here is a memory card holder for your memory card. This is some like liquid, I guess, to clean the lenses. This right here is some type of mount. I guess you put it on the other mount or whatever. I have no idea what that is. Here's a cloth and some Q-tips. And I don't know what that is. We're gonna put that back in here. I like this little memory card reader. So I was reading this warranty paper I got to keep up with. You get 1 year warranty with your camera, and like I told you, you also get I also pay for the 3-year insurance for my camera in case it breaks or whatever. So let's organize our camera bag because the battery's still charging. So let's see. I need to figure out what exactly this cord is for. It's very important, I know that, but what do I use this cord for? So I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and figure that out. So here's my memory card. Let me put that over here. And this is the duster and the lens cleaner device for your camera. And this is the strap for the bag. And here is the digital reader right here. So let's see. I'm gonna put that right there. Where can I put this? Put that right there too. These right there. Oh, I have a pink case coming for my camera. It's gonna be here tomorrow. Cause you know, you gotta protect the camera. Gotta have a case around it in case it falls. And here's the extra battery. I don't want to take the battery out this thing yet. I'm gonna put that right there. Can it close? Yeah, it's closed. And here's the cord. So we gotta figure out what's that for, because we have no idea. And then the camera can fit right here. And then we'll close that. Let's put this strap on. I like this little camera bag that came along with it for free. Well, not for free, but it all came in a bundle. So One less thing you got to worry about. I do want to get a neck strap for my camera and a microphone. But that's not all that important right now. Y'all, I can get this thing off. My nails. Ugh. I stay struggling with something. Okay, here we go. But yeah, I had to go ahead and get me a camera. I was gonna wait, but I had to go ahead and get a camera because my iPhone was like, girl, if you put one more video, one more thing on this device, we are not gonna work anymore. Like, it was just no more storage, period. So I had to go ahead and get me a camera. So y'all better like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, okay? Shit. All right, guys, I am back from the pool. Got me a nice tan. You see my tan? Can you see? Got nice and bronzy. So let's continue to check out this camera. So my battery should be good to go. So let's see. Let me get you together. All right. So in order to put the battery in and the memory card, you gotta click this little button right here, and there you go. So let's put the memory card in too. They got it good and tight in here. All right. And this is a 64 gigabyte SanDisk. How you put this in? We're going that way. We're assuming that's how it goes because we don't know. And then we're gonna put the battery in. Stay in there. Okay. Okay. The battery is not staying in there. I don't know why. Okay. Maybe it's the wrong way. Okay, there we go. It's the wrong way. That's to say, and then you click lock. You gotta be careful with that little part right there. All right, let's turn this baby on. Look at that. Ooh. Let's see. So I've been looking at YouTube to do the settings and stuff. So I'm gonna have to continue to look at these YouTube videos to see how to work this. Let's see, date and time. Let's see how we set this. Trying to get y'all to see what I'm doing. Okay. What that mean? Oh, look. Y'all, I'm gonna have to figure this out. But if I don't come back, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit this notification bell. But I might be back once I get this situated, okay? All right. Well.